Hi, Steve McGarvey here from Advertising Beacons. So today we're going to have a look at how easy it is to create an online business card from within the portal of Advertising Beacons. And this can be linked directly to a beacon. So business card, select an image. So in this case we're going to have a look for, there we are. And an avatar or me even, ugly mug in the middle there, and we're going to put a bit of information in here. About who we are. Let's have a look, see what we've said here. Proximity marketing consultant, there you go, that'll do. Sounds very grand, doesn't it? And some details. In the details section, there it is. Okay. And company. You know us as Advertising Beacons, but the company is actually called Pioneer Aluminum Limited, which is a bit of a mouthful. And a URL to take them to look at the beacons. Phone number, there we are. Take that one out. Well, there we go. There we are. Address in there and add. So on the right hand side there you can see some things that people can do when they get sight of the business card. So let's just go back in there and have a, I'll tell you what, we'll have a quick look and see what it looks like. And that'll be great as it's on a computer, but if this was on your mobile or on your iPad or something, it would look pretty good. So there we are, a little advert at the top there, a bit about what I do, and oh well, we can see it here. So they can download the card straight to their phone. They could actually call me. More is going to the website, and sharing is about, you know, the usual stuff that we all know. So that's how to create a business card within the Advertising Beacon portal. So yeah, lesson 2. See you in the third one.